Today I'm going to show you the protective case by Vego. This is for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This has the 360-degree ring magnetic kickstand and the camera screen protector. Also comes with the belt clip holster. This is military grade shock-proof case. Package includes the instructions, spare adhesive strips, and the wipes to clean the front screen. There's the belt clip, super rugged. Also has that little holder right there. Use it as a kickstand. And the case is all one piece. On the back you have the little hinge protector, front screen protector right here. And here's the ring for the kickstand. This whole thing is 360-degree rotation. Pretty good case. I've had Vego cases before. This was around $30 on Amazon. Then what I'm going to do is, on my Z Flip 6, clean this front screen right here. They give you the wet wipes and the dry wipes. And just wipe the front down. And the insulation. Slide it down like that. Clip on each side. And then slide down with the hinge. That's it. Got the nice hinge protector on the top. Then for the belt clip, snaps right into place. Clip it to anything you want. And then removal right here. Let's test out the kickstand. You can use it like that if you're watching videos. And then I chose this case too because it has the magnetic piece on the back for like mounting in your car. There it is. That's the protective case. by Vego for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Thanks for watching and have a great day.